Hi Westies and welcome back. In this kitchen episode, I'll show you how I make cheese sauce. So let's jump right into this video. First, I start with 12 ounces of evaporated milk, and I start with a very low fire as I want it to warm up slowly. I don't want the milk to get piping hot. Okay guys, next we will cube up some cheese for the sauce. This is a pound of cheese. I'm sure it's more than enough. I doubt if I'll use it all, but I'm just going to cut it up into some little cubes and put it in the sauce as I see fit. Sometimes I use grated cheese, but mostly I use this in cubes. Okay, next I'll use 2 eggs and beat them thoroughly for the cheese sauce. Okay, the eggs are used to expand the sauce. So you want to make sure that your milk is warm and not piping hot. Because if it is, once you put the eggs in, they'll scramble almost immediately. So make sure that your milk is only warm at this time. Next, I'm going to pour the 2 eggs into the milk. At this point, you want to kind of continuously stir as to keep the eggs from scrambling. Okay guys, I'm just going to continuously stir again to keep the eggs from scrambling. It doesn't take really long for the eggs to start to expand. Okay, so I've begun to add cheese in the sauce. Okay, so I am using a slotted spatula to help prevent lumping. And again, just continue to stir the sauce on a low heat and to help prevent the eggs from scrambling. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of salt, and use salt to season the way you prefer. And now I am going to add a little bit of pepper, and again you season it to suit. Okay guys, I pre-cooked some bow tie pasta that I'll be putting this sauce on and baking it in the oven. It's quite a bit of sauce. I didn't cook that much pasta, but it's quite a bit of sauce, but it's okay because I plan to bake it in the oven. And I'm just going to mix it well. I should have used a spoon. At this point, instead of this spatula, it makes it awkward to stir. Okay, Westies, that is how I make cheese sauce. If you enjoyed this video, please like and comment. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.